Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to open the menu, and you can do it by pressing the Chrome button to wake up the screen, and then you can press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the alarm icon, and once you find it, tap on it. And the alarm icon is right here, the yellow one. Tap on the alarm icon, and as you can see, we don't have any alarms right now, and we can tap on this big plus button to add a new alarm. And now we can set the hour on which the alarm should go off. So hours, minutes. And once you're done setting the time, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the alarm will be added. And once it's added, you will see it right here. You can turn it on or off by tapping on the switch next to it, but you can also edit it a bit further. So you can tap on the alarm itself. You can change the time. You can change when it repeats. So if you tap on one time right here, you can select specific days. You can select multiple days or even whole week if you like to. So set it up to your liking. So now my alarm will be repeating every day, for example. Then we can enable or disable the vibration and enable or disable the sound. And once you're done, of course, you can swipe right to go back like this. And you can also remove the alarms by tapping on one, tapping on the bin icon, and the alarm will be gone. And that's how you set up or set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.